these LED bulbs will be the ones I'm using. I picked these because they, as you can see, it's got the light on each side. I've also bought these metal fitting plates made specifically for the car. Otherwise you won't be able to get the bulbs locked in, and I've had to glue those on because otherwise they just sort of rattle about. So obviously 2 of those, and I use this V-Peak Bluetooth OBD port coder and the Bimmercode app, so I can actually make the car make the car know that it's looking for LED bulbs rather than looking for the halogen bulbs. So the first thing to do is to get the wheels turned out like this, which gives you better access to reach in under here and get those screws off there. So it's that plate we're going to be removing. Once you've got that off, this flap just comes on down in here like that. You twist it counterclockwise and it just comes out. And in here is your bulb assembly. So what you do is you grab the back of that, you twist to loosen, and it just pops on out. So then once you've got that undone, just pull it out and let it hang down. To get that bulb out, you just grab hold of the bulb and give it a good pull. Not too firm because you don't want to break the glass, but you grip it from the base and pull it out. Give it a bit of a wiggle if it's not moving. What I like to do is plug the bulb in to the holder, just so you can, and then turn the light on just so you can see that it's plugged in and wired up correctly. And once you've got that done, in the words of the famous Haynes manual, fitting is a case of the reverse. So what you need to do is, you see these lines, these lumps here, these tabs on either side of the metal casing. What you need to do is get them located in, see that hook there and that hook there on either side, and then just twisting clockwise. Pop the disc back in there and twist it clockwise to close. And then to finish up the job, you get the flap, locate it properly in the holes, pop it up, and then pop the screws back in, and you're done. So if, when you're fitting your new LED bulbs, you have an issue on the dash that says error detected, bulb blown, what you need to do is you need to get this OBD Bluetooth reader and plug it into the OBD plug, which is just down there. Pop that in, make sure it's in, look for that blue light, and then you start the car and wait for the Bluetooth reader to connect. And I'll just switch over to the Bimmercode app now to show you what to do.